What is the material to believe such a statement of yours?
Yes, madam. My lord, she has not been appearing before the family court. There are 3 matters before the family court. When the child was in school in Gujarat, during the middle of the academic year, she's brought the child to Bangalore.
Now, where is she taking?
From Gujarat, she has brought the child to Bangalore.
I know she has brought. Now, where is she going?
Now she's going to Arunachal Pradesh. She is currently living in adultery with another man in Bangalore, in Kengeri. My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner father in this matter. I'm aggrieved by the lack of visitation rights granted to me in the JNWC petition. The order is at page 27, ma'am.
Where is the order?
Page 27. But the applicant respondent is permitted to talk to the minor child through audio call on every Tuesday and Wednesday between 7:30 to 8 p.m. And he's also entitled for visitation rights to meet the child on...
Notice, we will pass orders once the notice is...
My lord, the matter came up on the 15th of this month. The advocate for the wife had stated that she's trying to take the child out of Bangalore and move to Arunachal Pradesh because the wife is living in adultery with another man at the moment. I pray for a stay that the child may not be removed from the jurisdiction of this honorable court.
Difficulty what you have to also understand is in kind of these pertaining to the child and all, no ex parte orders can be passed unless and until the court knows what it is. Whatever your client tells, we can't take it as a gospel truth.
My lord, the parties, they were living in Gujarat in the year 2020.
Whatever it is, in all these guardian and JNWC matters, this court is not granting any ex parte order. It has to be. If you want to take out notice, take out notice.
Take out notice, but the child should not be removed from the jurisdiction of this court. At least if that order is passed, the child...
What is the material to believe such a statement of yours?
Yes, madam. My lord, in 2020, both the parties were living in Gujarat. The child also was studied.
Present, what is the material on record to show that the boy is going to be removed from the jurisdiction of this court?
My lord, she has not been appearing before the family court. There are 3 matters before the family court. There is a 125 CRPC maintenance, a divorce case that she has filed, and the GNWC. The matters posted for evidence. She is not appearing before the honorable court. And then the advocate appeared on the 15th on the last date of hearing, stating that the client is not coming to the court, that she's leaving Bangalore and going to live in Arunachal Pradesh with the person that she's currently residing with in Bangalore. Therefore, aggrieved by that.
Same application should have been filed before the court.
I filed an application for stay there also, Your Honor.
Stay, not to take the child. Then straight away, how can you ask it before this court?
My lord, it was on the 15th of this month it had come up, my lord, is when the advocate had made that submission. So the matter is posted next month for any application or any other memo that has to be filed before the honorable court. Therefore, before she leaves the jurisdiction of the Bangalore courts, I pray that the child not be taken because she's already done it in Gujarat. When the child was in school in Gujarat, during the middle of the academic year, she's brought the child to Bangalore. Completely radio silence. The only reason I got to know that the child and the mother are in Bangalore is once I received the summons from the honorable court in all the 3 matters. Now that the matters...
Where do you stay?
I'm in Gujarat.
Now, where is she taking?
From Gujarat, she has brought the child to Bangalore.
I know she has brought. Now, where is she going?
Now she's going to Arunachal Pradesh. She is currently living in adultery with another man in Bangalore, in Kengeri. Now she's going to his hometown in Arunachal Pradesh is what the submission has been made on the last date of hearing.
When was this filed? When this petition filed?
My lord, this writ petition was filed in Jan.
Then?
Both the parties in Feb, my lord.
So this is filed in February?
This is filed in February, my lord.
By this time, we should have taken out notice to the respondent.
I'll take out...
It is permitted to take out notice on the counsel appearing before the trial court and file a memo to that effect. When can you post on 31st?
31st.
Delete from the caption for